What's up, everyone? So today, I'm going to speak about process. So it got me thinking of the process of how we go about, whether it's hand engraving, laser engraving, whatever, and then chrome and all that stuff, right? And it got me thinking last night. We're at the Icons of Lowriding Award ceremony, which was awesome, by the way. I think it was like 580 people showed up. This is the third year. I think the first year they had 350 people. Second year was like 450 people or something like that. And then this year, like I said, it was 580 or something like that. So I wanted to give you guys the breakdown because some of you might know, some of you guys might not know, is I partake in sponsoring the laser engraving and the hand engraving that goes into the awards. The awards are, aluminum, sheet metal, it's thin. It's like less than 1/8 inch or something like that. Thicker than a 16th, but 1/8 inch. So these Icon Awards, you guys have seen me do them before. I think I did a few lives ones, but what I'm getting at is, so the process is, so Chris and his people with Icons, they go ahead and ship them to me already machined, as you see, kind of like this, but this was already been polished. So it just raw machined, and the lettering, that part of the lettering is already there. So then I send it to Lucas, the polisher. He gets it polished down, and then after we do laser engraving, we put class of whatever year it is. This is the third year, so this year was 2025, and then we put the nominee, the award recipient of that year, and then I add just some subtle touches of hand engraving in these 3 corners on each side. So anyhow, with that being said, after that, then it gets dotted. After that, we sand it down one more time before it goes to chrome. In this case, Bill Mag Chrome, Bill Mag Plating in Santa Ana, California, they did the plating. After they're done, we give it to my buddy Art from A Designs. A Designs adds some color. The first year we didn't do that. We ran out of time, unfortunately. Second year and this year we did it. We put paint inside there. So Art, with the help of his wife, they ended up painting inside there. And then after that, after I get them back from Art, they go on a piece of plexiglass that Chris and his people from Icon send. All right, so that gets glued on there. So that's another process. And then in the back, obviously it's raw. So this goes on here. So this is a sticker, obviously. So that it's a sticker, it gets slapped on there. So there's a lot more to the whole process than just, engraving and getting them to the chrome shop. These awards take some time. These awards are not something you could just go buy at a trophy shop. I wanted to explain the process. I like telling that to people, that these awards are not cheap awards. They are very step-by-step oriented awards. So just for anybody that received one, that's awesome, man. I'm very proud to be part of this. It is a process. It gets to be a little bit of a headache. I was running around a lot. I know Art went through some stuff. I know my right-hand guy, Victor, he went through a lot of running around with me. I know Bill Mag had to hurry up and get things done as well. So I really appreciate everybody that was involved. And also appreciate all the guys from Icons, because it's without them, this wouldn't be happening. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. That's all I wanted to share, is the whole process of the Icons Awards. You guys have a great day, good evening, whenever you're watching or listening to this, and I appreciate the support. You guys feel free to share this and tag the Icons or tag everybody else in it that I mentioned. Thank you guys. Peace out.